The Digital Entrepreneur's Playbook for 2024. First, let's embrace the discomfort in change. Yeah, in the digital realm, comfort, my friends, is the enemy of progress. You see, as we sail into 2024, my first tip to you is get cozy with discomfort. The digital landscape is evolving at warp speed, as we're all aware of, and it's only going to get faster. And clinging to those outdated strategies, yeah, you're going to find yourself left in the pixel dust. So, innovate, adapt, and be prepared to pivot. Yeah, you got to dodge, you got to dart, because sometimes you got to pivot on a dime. Remember, the greatest breakthroughs that you're going to find often emerge within the chaos of change. Next, authenticity over algorithms. In the world obsessed with SEO and algorithm hacking, my second tip is a rebellion against the norm. Focus on authenticity over algorithms. Yes, I get it. Understand the tech. But don't let it dictate your story. Your audience craves real connections, not keyword stuffed content. In 2024, my friends, let's put the human back into the digital experience. Your authenticity is your secret weapon in an ocean of AI-generated content. And last but not least, I want to leave you with this third tip. Data privacy is the new currency. My final tip is a wake-up call. Data privacy is not just a buzzword. It's the cornerstone of digital trust. With increasing scrutiny happening and the regulations that kind of come with that, how you handle your user data, those emails and everything else you get, can make or break your business. You need to be transparent. You definitely need to be ethical, and you need to treat your customers' data like the gold it actually is. Remember, my friends, the digital gold rush of 2024 is here. Trust in it and treasure it.